Hi again, my posher friends. I'm just showing you the beautiful array of boxes. Now, the lady who makes these sells them on eBay. They work out, depending on how many you buy, around 70 cents each. Now, I was buying other boxes from Hong Kong, and they're not as good quality. So she makes them by hand. So if you can see, it's done beautifully. A brown one at the bottom. And for some of my customers, my return customers, I've put in a bit of vintage silk in there. And then I will put whatever the person buys on top, put the lid on. Then over here, I've got an array of second-hand ribbons and whatever that I've collected. And I will tie it up like I've done there with a card. And then I've written, and this is what I really love about Poshmark, if you can actually write a lovely little message so it becomes personal. So there's some points on how to make your jewellery look good, or if you just want to not spend as much money, you can buy these bulk, and they're in different sizes. And I bought some brightly coloured ones too, which I use as well. And I've also bought some calico ones. So just some ideas. I mean, you might be crafty enough and be able to make these yourself. But they look really great, especially when you put a bit of bling on them. And of course, I don't know whether I mentioned in the last video, but I buy the very old doilies, and I also use that and wrap it in a bit of beautiful lace.